Hello, welcome to another episode of Health and Wellness with Oluwatobi L. If you're new to my channel, my name is Oluwatobi Ogurinde. I'm a family nurse practitioner and I'm your friendly neighborhood nurse practitioner. I share health and wellness tips to help you to improve your health outcomes. I'd like to share something with you today. Recently, I took a trip to celebrate one of my mentors, Mr. Gbenga Omotayo, who is the founder and CEO of US Africa Network. And during that trip, I had sort of an awakening about seasons. And today I want to talk to you about seasons in your health and how to maximize seasons in health. In life, there are seasons. Everything about life is seasons. There's a season to sow and there's a season to harvest. Just think about your life and everything that you do. Preparation. When the opportunity comes, you have to prepare. And that season, every season in life changes and things move. If you do not prepare in one season, you will not be ready for the next season. So for example, if you do not sow, you will not be ready for a harvest. I took a little bit of inventory about my life after visiting my mentor who celebrated his birthday this past weekend. And it reminded me about the seasons in my life. And there were seasons where I just started off as a new entrepreneur and I was doing a lot of different things. And he supported me and he really helped me to own my skills in entrepreneurship. And I thought about those seasons where I was sowing seeds and now the seeds are germinating and I'm beginning to harvest some of the skills that I had sown in those seasons. And it also brings me to thinking about our health and how we treat our health. There were times where we were very healthy. There was nothing wrong with us. Things were okay. We don't just wake up in the morning one day and suddenly have high blood pressure, or wake up one day and suddenly have diabetes, or wake up one day and suddenly have high cholesterol. There were seasons where we were doing certain things in our lives, such as our eating habits, exercise habits, lifestyle generally. And those seasons, we sowed a seed, and now those seeds are germinating into the health conditions that they are right now. So let's talk about how important it is to maximize each season that we find ourselves in our health, in our wellness. Whatever season that you find yourself in right now, it's never too late to sow the right seeds. I want to encourage you today to start to do the things that you need to do to make sure that in the next season of your health or in the next season of your life, you are ready to reap the harvest of your seeds. So I want to encourage you today to do the things that you need to do. Improve your eating habits, improve your exercise. Lifestyle modification is very important when it comes to managing chronic health conditions. So what are you eating? How are you sleeping? How's your mental health? Who are you surrounding yourselves with? A lot of things that we do are influenced by the people that we surround ourselves with. Nature versus nurture. So the way that we're born is the genetics that we have. Some people are born with chronic diseases in their genetic traits. However, some people are not born with it, but they pick it up in the way of nurture. So by association, lifestyle, eating habits, how do you eat as a family? Are you all eating healthy or are you not eating healthy? Sometimes it's very hard to eat healthy when the rest of the people in the family are not eating healthy. So how can you do that to make sure that you bring everybody together in the family for a common goal to improve the whole health of the family? I strongly encourage you today to think about your life and your health in seasons and how do you maximize each season of your life. So make sure that you're sowing the seeds now so that in the future you can reap a bountiful harvest. Thank you for joining me again on another episode of Health and Wellness with Oluwatobi O, your friendly neighborhood nurse practitioner, and I look forward to seeing you on my next episode. Have a wonderful day.